GAIL India Limited, a leading natural gas corporation under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, undertook the Bhubaneswar-Cuttack pipeline project, which was a part of Jagdishpur-Haldia and Bokaro-Dhamna Natural Gas Pipeline, JHBDPL, comes under renowned Pradhan Mantri Urja Ganga project. The project was of 12 inches plus 6-inch pipeline installation by intersection HDD method across Mahanadi river, intending to provide safe and consistent gas supply in cities of Odisha. Installing a gas pipeline across an overflowing river in the rainy season could only be possible through installing pipelines by the intersection HDD method. Hence, GAIL, along with Macon Limited, awarded this challenging task of installing 12-inch plus 6-inch diameter pipeline of 3,200 length across the Mahanadi River to Trenchless Engineering Services Private Limited, also known as TESPL. The conceptualization and execution of this HDD project were not trouble-free, as half of the project got completed in the rainy season. The biggest challenge was overflowing Mahanadi River and marshy farmlands. The groundwater table of the farmlands became very high and created a lot of difficulty for the team. The ongoing pandemic situation was another hurdle that the team had to face from the start to the end of the project. In the midst, Cyclone Yas hit Odisha and severely impacted the progress of the project. The team had to stop working on-site and waited till everything got back to normal. Along with all these natural challenges, the TESPL team had to tackle local issues as well. The licensing work was a key aspect of this project. From convincing villagers and farmers to give their lands on rent to getting permission from the state government, the team managed everything professionally.
We have received an immense pleasure after receiving the news of HDD crossing of 3,200 meter across the Mahanadi river under the project Pradhan Mantri Urja Ganga Yojana under JHBDPL project. It is a bottleneck for this project, and also it is most important crossing for the Bhubaneswar-Cuttack spur line project.
TESPL started the execution process of the pilot hole drilling by intersection method. This was the first time in India where bundle pulling of 12-inch and 6-inch, 3,200 meters long HDD crossing was being carried out through the intersection method. Trenchless Engineering Services deployed their most experienced team with high-class modern equipment and tools to build the crossing over the Mahanadi River. Mammoth resources and equipment were deployed at the site of the project, including 2 mud pumps of 800 GPM capacity, 2 mud pumps of 500 GPM capacity, 2 recycle systems, 5 mud mixing tanks, and 1,000 different sized drill rods. Along with this, a 350-ton state-of-art HDD rig was placed on each side of the river. To deal with any emergency and crisis, the TESPL team placed extra 2 rigs at each side of the river. After deploying all the equipment and manpower, the pilot hole drilling began simultaneously from both sides. Paratrack 2 guidance systems were used to monitor the pre-decided trajectory of the pipe beneath the land. The pilot hole drilling process got successfully completed. Now it was time for the TESPL team to immediately start reaming activity. The huge length of the crossing made it challenging to clean the hole during reaming and take the cuttings out of the hole. TESPL deployed experienced mud engineers with required additives and adhered to strict mud quality check protocols. Apart from all these hassles, our trained drilling and technical support handled plenty of drilling concerns with full conviction. After this, the final and crucial step of pipe pulling began. Handling 3,200 meters 12-inch plus 6-inch pipeline string with extremely sharp curves during pipe pulling activity was a real challenge for the team. But with the help of 15 excavators and an immensely experienced team of TESPL, the pipeline string was controlled and bundle pulling of 12-inch product pipeline and 6-inch conduit pipeline was splendidly done. This bundle pulling of 3,200 meters, 12-inch plus 6-inch pipeline made the Bhubaneswar Cuttack HDD crossing project the longest HDD crossing ever attempted in India. One after another, pipes were pulled back by the 350-ton capacity HDD rig. And finally, the moment arrived. The end of the product pipe got pulled out at the rig site in a secure and intact manner. 6 months of rigorous hardship, planning, and tireless work finally paid off historically. With all the latest technology, environment-friendly solutions, strong machinery, experienced team members, and mammoth resources at the site, the HDD project across Mahanadi River was accomplished within the time constraint. Every moment and every effort we did was a great learning experience. It was a dream project that got concluded. We at TESPL once again proved that we are the best in our business, defeating challenges and emerging victorious by applying innovative and indigenous solutions is not a big deal for us. Our courteous and hard-working team can handle every challenge smartly and calmly.
पथ पर चलकर मिलता सब कुछ, पथ पर धर धीर चला जा रे, कभी ब्रह्मपुत्र कभी महानदी, पावन जल बीच बढ़ा जा रे, जैसे नल नील साधे सिंधु, टेस्पल चल पार करा जा रे. Tespal yet again proved its mettle. Yet another gigantic milestone achieved. Impossible made possible. 12 plus 6 inch, 3200 meter bundle pulling by intersection method. We have done it all.
All the team members their tireless effort make it possible.
Trenchless has done this job they have managed this so very technically and professionally, very well managed company, and they have done this job in a very efficient manner.
We are delighted and extremely proud to successfully completion of 12 plus 6 inch 3200 meter bundle pulling by intersection method well before completion period. While doing that, we have handled the pipe string laid in extremely highly sharp curves in the RU, overcome all the technical challenges associated with this 3200 meter lengthy HDD crossing.
Proud that we built an asset for our nation and enhanced its infrastructure without harming Mother Nature. The successful completion of this project will help people across the cities getting a consistent and safe gas supply while making their life easy and better.